Hey YouTube, so I've got my HTC Desire. It's been updated to 2.2, Android 2.2. I'll just actually show you guys. Software information, 2.2 Android. Software version is 2.09.405.8. So that actually got released over the weekend for unbranded HTC Desires. So I'm just going to basically do a little run through of things that are different on it. One of the major things that's actually different is they've actually added a few apps to it. App Share, that allows you to share applications that you have installed. You've also got application Flashlight. I'll actually talk about some of these in more details if there's anything to talk about them. You've also got a video. You've got news and weather. Never actually noticed that until now. There is another one, but I can't actually find it. Wi-Fi hotspot. There's that one, and then there's the videos. So you got Wi-Fi hotspot and videos, those applications. Videos is basically exactly the same as the photos one last time, except it just shows videos in it. So you've got two different ones for photos and videos. I'm going to show you quickly the Flashlight. It includes its own little flashlight app, so you don't have to go into the market and download a third-party one. Basically, it acts as a flashlight. Let's move it out of the way a bit so you can actually see it. You've got that one, and then you've got a third setting which isn't actually working. Just go back into it. And then you've got the first setting, and then the third setting, it gets brighter. So you've got off, first setting, third setting, and fourth setting. There's actually three settings, but I'm counting off as setting one, so yeah, that's pretty good. You do have the app sharing, which basically it's basically what it's called. It allows you to send apps to someone else, and then you can select Bluetooth and send it to someone by Bluetooth, or Twitter, Peep, Mail, all sorts of things. So yeah, that's interesting, but I won't be using it because I don't know anyone who has an Android phone. The videos, I'm just quickly going to show you. When you click on it, it just shows all your videos. It's like before, you would click on photos and it would just show your photos and videos. Photos, I think, is pretty much the same as it used to, although I can't actually find it. It's actually gallery, not photos. Gallery, that still displays photos. So it probably was called, always called gallery. It's just I can't actually remember. The newest thing is the Wi-Fi hotspot. Allows you to use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot can share this phone's 3G internet connection with your PC via Wi-Fi. After the portable Wi-Fi hotspot is started on this phone, your PC can connect to it and then start using the internet. Then once you click on next, it actually comes up with all these settings. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot, press to turn on. Your name, what security you want to use. You can use it as non-WP, WPA, TKIP, or WPA AES, and then you can type in your passcode. It also has a manage users just there, so I'm guessing you can actually see who is connected to it, which is pretty cool. Other than that, that's basically the only thing that's actually the only things I've actually changed on here. You've got a few apps on there. I will show you the news and weather one, because I'm not sure if this was there before, or if it was just news. But yeah, you've got that, top stories, Halloween killer, blah blah blah. All the same old news. I've been reading that on the internet, so pretty sure you used to have news, that news one, and then but you didn't have news and weather. I think there were two separate ones before. But you do have weather down there, so don't actually know why they've combined it into one app. It's kind of useful for some people, but I'm not really that bothered about it. Yeah, that's basically it for that. They have actually changed the icons up there, as you can see. If you have these widgets, the settings widgets, they've changed them to a blue colour. I think they used to be white and green, and now they're just blue, and with the little thing next to it. So not much change except for the colour of the icons. One thing I have actually noticed is the weather app stopped working last week. It wouldn't actually show where I was. It would just show United Kingdom and the overall weather for the United Kingdom. Since the update, it's now actually saying it's not actually saying the town or city that I'm in. It's saying the region, so North East Derbyshire. That's the county or the part of England I'm in, North East Derbyshire. So that's interesting. I'm not actually seeing any demo things on it. But then again, it's not actually rained since I installed it, so I haven't actually seen that. One problem I did have before was I could not send messages, and I had to use a third-party app to send MMS messages. With this update, it's seems to have fixed it. HTC did actually tell me to do a software reset on it, but I couldn't be bothered, and I just downloaded the app, the update, to think what it was called. So yeah, that's working perfectly fine now. A little tip for people that want to upgrade to 2.2: uninstall, if you have it, uninstall LED light. That seems to stop the camera application from working. That actually just reminded me they have actually added 720p. Different. Interestingly, there, when you actually go into it, you can actually now hold it like that. So this way round vertically. I think it's, yeah. Sorry, I'm not thinking straight right now. So you hold it like that and hold it down, and the text is actually the right way around, as you can see. So you don't have to flip it around to read it, or read it lopsided. The only difference is in video, when you do that, it does actually switch, so you do actually have to hold the phone like that. They have also changed the orientation. When you're in a web browser, you used to only be able to view it that way and that way. Now they've actually allowed you to flip it that way as well. Not sure if you can have it upside down. I wouldn't have thought you can, and no, you can't. So now you can hold it like that. Oops, like that, or like that, which is pretty cool. Now allows me to actually charge it and just leave it on my bed and just basically look at it while I'm trying to get to sleep. So that's pretty cool. Performance wise, there does seem to have been a I don't know if it is because of this, but the phone does seem more stable. It's not crashing. I've not had a force close. Seems to shut down and restart a little bit faster, and seems to basically open apps faster. So I don't know if that was supposed to happen or if or not. So, but it's working okay. So that's basically it. Slight view of that. I will probably be creating a video with this. I have actually created a couple of videos, but unfortunately they are constantly failing to upload from my phone. So, and I made this video, so I don't really need them anymore. So, I shall create a video with this at some point and upload it so you guys can see what the 720p quality is like. Probably already some on the internet, and I'm pretty sure most of you know, but I will use this phone to record videos. So that's basically it. Quick tour of HTC Desire 2.2 upgrade.